Hey everybody, so we got a water softener this week. It's a real cool water softener. Aiden had about 10 minutes before he went to work to hook it up, so we didn't videotape it hooking it up, but
We'll show you everything.
Yeah, I'm going to show you how to hook it up and take you through it and show you how it works. The air conditioner just turned on. Hope you can't hear it.
And
but
if
yeah.
you can, we'll talk louder.
Yeah. But yeah, there you go. There we go.
Dun.
Anyways, I'm going to take you out, show it to you. We're not affiliated with this water softener company at all. We just really like it, and we wanted to show it to you, and it saved our butts. It took away the hard water, the spots, and the smelly iron smell, and so we're very, very pleased.
Well, we also added something to help take away that iron.
Yeah. So I'm going to take you and show you all that today. We're going to add some salt to it, show you how to regenerate it. Isn't that what it's called?
Yep.
Hi.
Rejuvenation.
Rejuvenation?
Or regeneration.
Regeneration. Anyways, it's really easy. Show you how to flush it before you hook it up and all that. And yeah, we're going to do that. But before I show you that, I think I'm going to take you out to the beach. Kind of cool. Later. Alright. I'll show you what we have to deal with here. Stepping out of our motorhome, having to see this. It sucks, you know? Not really. Alright, check it out. So, this is our private beach. Is this a trip or what? Isn't that neat? So we use it all the time. We sit out here at the river. And so I'll kind of show you. We take the kayaks and we kayak around that little island. It goes quite a ways, and then we come around that way. But yeah, we're loving this, loving the beach, loving the docks. We got a couple of friends that have boats here, which is awesome. So anyways, alright, I'm going to take you and show you the soft water, or that, yeah, water softener install, so on. But I wanted to show you the river and the beach. Okay, so this is the name of it. It's the H2O Mobile Softener. Aiden's covering our number there, but that's what it is. You can get them at Amazon. It was about $149, I think, $159, something like that. But yeah, we're not affiliated with them at all, but we really like this, so alright. Basically, the water line that comes in here, we have a filter on, and then, you know, hooked up to the hose. Then the hose hooks right up to the water softener here. In. When you first hook this up, you want to hook the in hose in. Oh, and you're going to have to get a female to female connector. That's one thing you're definitely going to have to get, because if you have a male hose, this is a male in. Both sides are male in. So
they have them at Home Depot.
Yeah, we got ours Home Depot, Lowe's, one of those places.
Home Depot.
Yeah, but that's this, and then the that way the male can go in. But then you're going to want to turn this on and flush this out before you hook it up to your RV.
For 2 minutes.
For 2 minutes, and hey.
Hey.
Yeah, and then once you flush it out, turn the water off. Hook your hose up from here to your city water, and that's it. That's all you have to do. It comes with salts in it already. We're going to add a little more, and that's called rejuvenating or something.
Right.
Yeah. Anyways, something along those lines. And you know, you'll keep an eye on with your test strips. It with your test strips, and you just turn the water off. So, but to fill it, to put the salt in, you're going to open that, but you got to turn off the water first, and you just did that, right?
Yep.
Awesome. So what this takes is just regular table salt, any kind of table salt. We got some Himalayan table salt. It's the pink. But yeah, we actually talked to the man that owned the company, and they're really, really good.
Really nice.
We had made the mistake of opening up the whole, this whole plastic unit, and you're not supposed to do that, so we had to call to make sure we were okay, which we are. But yeah, and just gonna pour some extra salt in there. And you can get a funnel for this, it makes it a little easier, but you know, I actually think we have funnels somewhere, but we're not into that easy. Is that all? Is that all you can put in? Apparently.
I can let some more water out.
Oh, well that should be good.
Because
We were just kind of showing how it feels anyways. And then,
and to let water out, what you would do is you would just lean it and dump some of the water out
oh, I see.
so that you can
Add the salt.
more of your salt.
Okay. You got it. You got it. Anyways. I just stepped in dog poop from our neighbor because our neighbor doesn't clean up his poop. It's the only problem we've been having here. But, yeah, wonderful. Everything else is good here except that. And you just close that up, turn that back on, and you're done.
For leaks.
Check for leaks. And then
Put it
these,
back up
by
in
the way,
here.
fit right up into your, should, it fits in ours, and they're made to fit into your lower bay by your water. Straighten it out. Can you move over a little bit, or to where? Yeah, there you go. You got it.
No.
No.
I can't because it pitches.
Oh, okay. All right. Oh, that should do it.
I just got to make sure that I'm up enough so I can pull our
Right.
tank.
Now, should that water hose be into the tank from our fresh water supply at all times, or
What is it?
the tank from our, or the hose from our water is in the solid waste tank? Is that normal?
That's so that I can flush it.
And that's okay to be hooked
That's
up to?
that's
It's not going to
perfectly
backwash into our
No.
water. Okay. Just making sure. So, anyways,
So
that's
completely turned off right there.
okay. So that's how it sits in there, and I'll take you in and show you the difference in the hard water with the hard water tests. We've had this installed for almost a week now,
Yeah.
and it works really, really good. We're so pleased. Any leaks?
No leak.
All right. All right, so we have 3 cups of water. The first cup is from just the regular tap out of the city water. Second one is bottled water, and the third one is from our new saltwater softener. So we will test 1, 2, it says to hold them in there. Okay, first test. And I wanted to show you here, this is the test strips that were got. They're just hardness water strip tests, and then it has the deal on the back. You hold them up to tell. Alright, so we're going to dip the second one in. And this one is just the
Bottled water.
bottled water, regular bottled water, and then when you're getting in there,
Yeah, because you're flipping them on the...
well, they have to get the water off them,
Strip.
that's why. And then softened water. There. And let's see how they read. Alright, this is the one from Right to City Water.
Yep.
As you can see, the first 2 are brown, and the third
Is starting.
is starting to turn brown. Really nasty. So you can see,
You just laid it in water.
it's okay, I'm done with it. As you can see, it's about the 3rd to 4th line here. So it's very, 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 very high in hard water. Alright, then if you look at the bottled water,
Flip it over.
pretty green, pretty soft.
Yeah.
And then ours, soft as can be, just all completely green. As you can see, there's no hard water in our system at all now. We had a terrible, terrible iron smell from being on the river. It was horrible. That's gone now. We have some awesome water now, so we're really, really happy about this system. Yeah. Alright, so that was the simple water softener install. Really easy to install, really easy to put the salt in. That's all you need to do. It's awesome. Our water is so soft. We don't have water spots. You suds your hair up and you actually have suds on, you know, on your body. You have suds from the soap, and then you have that little bit of slime when you're washing off, and you know your leaves your skin nice and soft. We love it. We love it, love it, love it. It was
I love it.
worth the $150 we got it for Amazon. Again, we're not affiliated with this company at all. We just are really happy with the system, and they're really, really good people. So far, we've had an awesome time dealing with them, and we appreciate that too. So, I guess that's it for this week. Nothing major new going on. Aiden's been working hard, been enjoying what he's doing. We'll let you know that someday. But yeah, he's having a lot of fun. We're having a lot of fun kayaking and being on the river and swimming and
being
laying
able
on
to
the
take
beach.
days off when we want to.
Take days off when we want to and enjoy our life here. Good place to hunker down for a little bit. We're really happy, and I've been losing weight. We've been exercising. I've been on a diet. I've lost probably more than 11 pounds at this point. I've been walking every night, and Aiden's been walking with me, and yeah, we're doing really good. Here I go in the film. Anyways, so I guess until next time, we'll say goodbye. Give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate it. Leave a comment. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. We'll try to help you out as much as we can with the water softener. And until our next video, have a divine night.